I greet everyone. The analytical service is online System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. You can pause it if necessary. We suggest looking at each parameter of the corporation in question more scrupulously. Now we will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the company. Atlassian Corporation, ticker TEAM. This review is based on current information as of July 17, 2025. According to Classification Guru.Markets, company Atlassian Corporation belongs to the subcategory Soft Development. 13 companies take part in the analysis. See the decisions made towards the end of this video. Overall score for the company, minus 5.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 0.4 points. If you look at it very broadly, within the US market as a whole, we can see that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 5.5 points Atlassian Corporation. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Atlassian Corporation and subcategory shares, we can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Atlassian Corporation showed a 5% change. Against price changes in the subcategory, 178.4%. Market capitalization of the company Atlassian Corporation valued at $50.14 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $219 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.86 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $13 billion. Comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share Atlassian Corporation in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 22.892%. Book value capitalization is 6.81%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The financial liabilities of the analyzed organization amount to $0.773 billion. Debt liabilities to book capitalization constitute 90% of the company's capital. The result of the company's financial obligations, passable, 0 points. The company's stock price to earnings ratio is 0, with an average for the subcategory of 80.1. Evaluation of stock exchange price to profit ratios in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $430 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $1,102 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 10.1. Average for the subcategory is 9.2. Evaluation of market price to revenue ratio indicators in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $4,960 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 8.7%, with an average of 11.4% in the subcategory. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 8.252%, which is 177% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $4,124,000. And for the subcategory, $1,487,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is minus $35,300, with an average for the subcategory, $18,600. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $408,000. Subcategory, $162,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 3.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.6%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 41% for the company Atlassian Corporation. Whereas for the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 50%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $190. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $275. Let's go to the table of orders, which is available, link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions of the stock evaluation reference system this season, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open, link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's shares Atlassian Corporation, information and reference system Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open sell order at $190.45 per share. The deal is open because the company has a fairly low rating and price dynamics. The company's assessment was made using the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 121.53. Stop loss is set at 259.37. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of the trading session on August 16, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker, EPAM, is the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, another order is fixed at the last price. Thank you very much to the audience for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system Guru.Markets.